Hello and welcome to a short video tutorial on using routines in Learn. The first step to setting up a routine is you're going to go ahead and click on your Learn book, and then all the way down at the bottom of that drop-down menu, we're going to go ahead and select Settings and Routines. Once you're in this routines area, you're going to go ahead and establish a new routine, or you can modify an existing routine if you have one created. So we're going to go ahead and create one from scratch. And select a client is the first thing. So I'm going to create a routine for my client, Dorothy. Next is you want to name the routine. So if your client has a similar routine on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, or maybe a social skills afternoon, just name it whatever routine you want to apply. If you want to put a further description, you can do that as well. Next is down here, you'll see there's add new time slot. So for my Monday, Wednesday, Friday routine, I'm going to go ahead and say that the first one is going to be ITT, or trial training. And it's going to start as soon as they arrive at the center, say 9 o'clock a.m. And it's going to go for 2 hours until 11 o'clock a.m. You can go ahead and click add, and then keep creating it. So let's say I have lunch, and that it's going to be from 11 to 12, for example. And then let's say we have social skills from 12 to 1. And let's say we end the day with more ITT. All right, so that completes my routine. I have my Dorothy Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Of course, you guys can name these whatever you deem appropriate, put in further descriptions, etc. This routine now exists. It's available to select, and it's good to go. So now that this is saved, I'm going to go ahead and navigate to my learning tree for Dorothy. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Learn, Clinical Learning Trees. And I'm going to go ahead and hop into my Dorothy's program book here. Now let's say this chaining motor imitation program, for example, CLAP. Perhaps I want this target to show up just during that AM ITT session. So I can go ahead and click the edit pencil, and then under session type in the data collection details, I can go ahead and select routine. You'll notice it's going to ask me to choose one. So I'll go ahead and select my Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And all those time slots that I created now show up. So I want it to show up during that AM one, and it's good to go. So now this CLAP target is only going to show up when the technician is running that session between 9 o'clock a.m. and 11 o'clock a.m. So you can go ahead and do this for each of your targets. So for example, if I had social skills and I wanted turn taking to only show up during that social hour, then again, I can click edit on that turn taking target, select routine session type, go ahead and check my Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and choose that social hour. And again, this turn taking will only show up between 12 o'clock p.m. and 1 o'clock p.m.